Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. After last time's autofocus issue, which I've since rectified, I thought I would do a repeat of the pour so everyone could see how I did it. Of course it was an open cup pour, so you guys probably know how that works, but today I thought I'm going to do it in purples instead of blues. So we've got our base color, which is the white, then I've got a nice violet, we've got a light purple, then we've got a much darker sort of almost navy blue purple, and then we've got a sort of rosy light purple. So I'm hoping that we get the same effect as last time. As usual, I've mixed a little bit of silicone oil into the into each of the colors. So yeah, I think the last open cup pour in blues turned out really nice. I've got it right here. It's dry now, as you can see, and yeah, I just love the cells and the different shades of blue, so I thought why not try and repeat that with the purples, and we can have a matching pair of paintings that we can hang together. So without further ado, let's get going. As I said, all the paints are mixed. I'm going to put my white down first like I did last time. And then once again I'm going to be using the little corner cardboard to keep the paint on the canvas. So let's get going, guys. I think this is already looking good. Alright guys, there we go. That's looking great. There we go. Yeah, got all the edges, which is good. And now all we need to do as normal is apply the flame, and we should hopefully get lots of nice purple cells. So let's hold thumbs. I like it just like this because it looks almost like a purple Milky Way, which is stunning, but I'm sure once we get some heat onto it, it's going to really bring those cells out. So let's hold thumbs that this works, guys. Here we go. Alright guys, that's looking good. Not getting quite as many cells as last time with the blue one, but they certainly are still developing, so I think we'll just give it a little bit and then we'll flame it again. But yeah, I quite like these smaller canvases, the 12 by 12s. The 16 by 16 inch are quite big. Obviously, you need a lot of wall space, but these smaller ones are just perfect for doing a set of 2 or 3 and putting them into a nice area passage or a room like that. So yeah, I'm quite happy with them, and of course they're a little bit cheaper, so there's less box for the frame, and obviously less canvas, so that just means that yeah, it's a little bit cheaper to buy. As of yet, still haven't sold any paintings, but I've got a lot here on show, so I'm hoping once the economy sorts itself out after Corona that people are going to have a little bit of extra money, hopefully, to spend on luxuries like paintings. And until that time, I'm going to just keep on trying to make the best art that I can, and hopefully someone will see my work, like it, and yeah, I can make some sales and start recouping some of the costs of this fairly expensive hobby of mine. I was just doing my tax returns the other day and just sort of saw how much money I had spent on paints and canvases and stuff over the last year, and it's certainly not cheap. So yeah, I'm really hoping that someone will like my stuff and buy a whole lot of paintings. But yeah, I'll keep on making them for you guys so you can see the results of my work and get some ideas for yourselves. Hopefully you're learning a little bit watching my videos. If there's anyone that has any questions or requests, please feel free to pop them in the comments. I generally get back same day. Yeah, it'll be nice to get some requests, do something a bit different if you guys are keen for that. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for now, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Subscriber count's sort of slowed down a bit, so hopefully this full video, and rather not just the close-up, will get people watching. And if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, head on over there and hit the subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing, and of course you'll be one of the first people to see my paintings as I do them. And hopefully, yeah, you guys are learning from what I do and enjoying my videos. Guys, that's it for today. Hope you have a great Thursday, almost the weekend, and I'll probably be back on the weekend to do another pour. But until then, guys, keep well, and here's a close-up. Cheers.